I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi, I'm Jessica, and today we are exploring the natural wonders of Praia do VAU in Portimão, Portugal. Isn't it beautiful? Whether you're a local or a visitor, come along as I share with you all the interesting things this place has to offer. If you like what you see, I would really appreciate it if you could click the like button and leave a comment. Let's come down to the beach here at Praia do VAU. As we all know, Portugal is known for its pristine sandy beaches, and this one is definitely no exception. From relaxing on the sand to surfing, there's something for everyone here. The impressive rock formations along the coast are also a sight to behold. Let's get higher and head up to the castle ruins. Most of the beautiful architecture here dates back to the 16th century. This castle acts as a wonderful reminder of the rich history that Portugal has to offer. The views from here are just breathtaking. As impressive as the ruins may be, nature here is also incredibly powerful and humbling. So let's make our way over to a cliff top which provides superb views of the Atlantic Ocean. From swimming to fishing, there's something for everyone if you love being near the sea. When you're finished exploring all this natural beauty, why not drop by the shops and restaurants for some much-needed refreshments? Whether it's purchasing souvenirs or just taking the opportunity to relax, this place definitely has something for everyone. And that concludes my exploration of the beautiful Praia do VAU. It's been so amazing to take you on this incredible journey. If you have enjoyed the video, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Until next time.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.